Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be making minced lamb curry meal prep. It makes 8 meals, super easy. Here's what you're going to need: coconut oil with some onions, some ginger puree. Give it a mix. And then we're going to add in 2 packs of minced lamb, followed by some curry powder. Give that a stir. Add in some chicken stock, followed by some rice. Lower that temperature down, and we're just going to let that simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, add your frozen peas, followed by some spinach, and then add 1 cup of water and let that simmer for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, lay out all your meal prep containers. Okay, look, we're good to go, and we're just going to prep this up. This will make about 8 meals. I would normally freeze 4 of them, and the other 4 I keep in the fridge and have throughout the week. It's very easy to make, only takes about 40 minutes. Very tasty. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Please subscribe for more recipes.